Hello and welcome to this quick introduction to eTool Sustainable Design Software. You can use any browser to use the software. We prefer Google Chrome, it seems to work the best, but any browser will do. And just type this URL into the screen, app.etool.net.au. That'll take you to the login screen. You can register if you're a new user, otherwise simply type in your login details and you're away. So no downloads, you should be up and running with the software within 5 minutes maximum. When you log on, you've got your home tab highlighted here. On the left hand side you have all your projects. In this case we only have one project, and inside each project you'll have one or a number of buildings, and for each building you'll have a number of design options. You can collapse that project structure or expand it all by using these buttons here. Over on the right hand side you have a list of reports that you've recently run, and down here notifications from the eTool workflow. You can request a quote from this page by pressing this link here, and that'll ask you for some details which will enable us to give you an estimate on the building. In the Projects tab, we go into some more details here relating to our projects. Over here you have a list of, on the right hand side you have a list of benchmarks, and you can actually view the benchmarks. If you click on that and see what the benchmarks are made up of. Up here you can see a little lock symbol, which means you can't edit that benchmark, and this little blue graph symbol here is an indication that it's a benchmark. Just go back to the Projects tab. So we might have a closer look inside the project hierarchy, and when we navigate to, say, a building, it'll always tell us up the top here where we are. As we navigate deeper to a design option within a building, we'll always know where we are, and you can easily navigate back up the tree by selecting one of these options here, or navigate right down to the lowest detail through this box at the bottom. Inside an actual design you have a number of construction categories and also your operational energy category. That can be split up into templates, or inside each of these categories you'll have a number of design elements. And that's basically how the building hierarchy works. Also in the Projects tab you can browse through your templates, and you can have global templates which have this little globe here which you can't edit. They're accessible by everybody, and you can also have custom templates that you've designed yourself. Now you can clone these global templates and recreate them or edit them to suit your own requirements. You can also search through the templates using this thing up the top, and that'll give you a list of templates that relate to that keyword. The next option up here is the benchmarks, and that just gives you some detail on the benchmarks. Again, you can actually search the benchmarks to narrow down your search there. The next tab is the reports. It'll show you a list of all the reports that you've saved on your different designs, and you can generate new reports by selecting this button up here, or download a PDF of the report by selecting here or here. You can also have a look at the design that the report relates to by clicking this link. The last tab is the Manage tab. You can update your profile details. You can edit your equipment, and again it's very similar to templates with global and custom equipment. And then this just relates to the workflow. For more detail, we're running training courses. If you Google eTool training, you should get a link here to our training course. Otherwise, just go to our website and browse through the articles and you'll find the details of the training. And we look forward to posting more videos shortly with some more details. Otherwise, we'll see you at training. Thank you.